Hi, today I will introduce a 6x6 Dongfeng truck mounted crane transport truck. This truck uses a Cummins 400 horsepower engine, a fast light-speed gearbox, a 5,400 mm wheelbase, 14.00 steel tires, 7-ton front axle, light-ton middle axle, light-ton rear axle, and a speed ratio of 6.72. Let's get into the truck car. Air conditioning, electric windows, power steering, air brake, 4-tank heating, heated rear view mirrors. Those are all standard configurations. The truck has full-time 6-wheel drive and 2 driving models which can be switched according to different road conditions. The crane uses Chengli 10-ton 4-section arm crane, and the cargo box is made of high-quality carbon steel. "5 meters long, 2.5 meters wide, and 0.55 meters high. The primer uses electrophoretic paint to prevent corrosion and rust. The whole truck is special customized for export. If you have any customized needs for the truck, please contact me. Bye-bye.